Universal design for learning? Well, let's look inside the co-teach classroom of Miss Paller and Miss Diaz to see how they are using multiple means of action and expression to engage students in language arts.
So this class that we are filming for this video is a really mixed bag. It's a diverse classroom. We have migrant students, we have ESE students, students with a bunch of different disabilities. And in this class, we really had an engagement issue. We had a problem with getting them really interested in the content and showing us about what they know. We picked up Plickers because Plickers is a wonderful use of universal design for learning. Plickers has taken the engagement factor and bumped it up to 1 million.
Which is used to show who or what has a degree to the greatest or least degree.
Hard carefully, make sure you're indicating the right answer.
Jean.
We got 92%.
Yay! So if you look at a question like this, I can click on the question and I can see that the majority of my students have got this question right, 76%. But when I see a number like 6 and I see those students' names, then I can say those are the students that I'm going to pull in a small group for a reteach of this concept before we would post-test it. A particular student, you're going to get to see him in multiple scenarios, okay? This is your student that struggles with getting so many traditional paper-based assessments, probably more than one a day.
What was the key word in here that it was friendliest? What was the Pierre. Most, absolutely. Take it for Pierre.
Raise my hand. She could call other people. I get I don't have a chance to say my answer.
So this UDL allows us to get that immediate feedback, know where our struggling learners are and those who are more successful, and that we can actually attack them more immediately and more effectively.
And you can just see his confidence, his frustration level, and then to see him flourish in a computer lab or with Plickers is just the reason that implementing these things using UDL is just one of the ways that you can take your classroom to the next level.